Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make smooth and stabilized speed ramps in After Effects. In my case this video is already stabilized, but I will make this car stabilize in the center, or what we call locked on stabilization. Go to Tracker tab and click on Stabilize Motion. As I said, I want my car to stabilize in the center, so I will move track point to the very center of my car. In my case, this mirror is the best I can track on and lock on. Make big box a bit bigger for a better and deep analyzing, and make small one a bit smaller to better focus on the mirror. For an advanced analyzing I recommend you to apply this settings. Click on Options and make sure RGB is selected, then toggle on Adapt feature on every frame and click on OK. Now click on Track Forward and let's wait until analyzing is done. Once analyzing is finished, click on Edit Target and click on OK. Then click on Apply and make sure Apply Dimensions are set to X and Y, then click on OK. Let's play back the video and check it. The video is locked on in the center and that looks amazing. The only problem that we have is this black edge here. To solve it, press S on your keyboard and scale until it's gone. Everything looks cool now, but let's center the car using proportional grid. We can see the center of the screen perfectly and can move the video until the car is centered perfectly. My car is centered in the middle, but now we have that black edge issue here. We can scale the video again, but in case if you don't want to scale anymore, there is another solution. Add motion tile effect on your clip. Toggle on mirror edges and change height to 150. Edges are gone and video looks amazing. It's stabilized and locked on in the center. You can now toggle off proportional grid and let's begin making a speed ramp. First, what we are going to do is enable frame blending. Click here twice until you see an arrow. Now pre-compose your clip. Make sure to select, move all attributes and adjust composition duration, rename to whatever you want and click on OK. Right-click on your clip, go to time and select, enable time remapping. This will create two keyframes, one at the beginning of the video and second one in the end. For example, I want to make my video 1 second long and speed ramp it. You can move the last keyframe there. Your video will speed up and now it's 1 second long. But that's not ideal option. I recommend to create your own keyframes. If you start moving this time forward, this will create a keyframe automatically for you, and now you can make a speed ramp and choose the ending of your video by moving this time forward or backward. The video is sped up now. You can also go to a first keyframe and choose the beginning of your clip by moving the time forward or backward. Once you're happy with it, cut your video what's after the second keyframe and delete it. Now select both keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to ease them, then go to Graph Editor, right-click here and make sure Edit Value Graph is selected. Make a smooth curve here, simply copy mine. At this point, your video will speed up, then slow down and speeds up again. Let's quick check the video. Nice, I like this smooth stabilized speed ramp. Lastly, let's add motion blur to your video. If you have RSMB Pro, use this one. If not, you can use CC Force Motion Blur, that works fine as well.